Hey, how's it going? My name is PewDiePie!
Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
Paano kumita ng $100 or more sa YouTube?
Kumita ng pera sa YouTube kahit hindi tayo ang gagawa ng mga videos.
Paano tayo kikita sa YouTube nang hindi tayo nag-upload ng sarili nating video?
Start making a ton of money from YouTube, literally just re-uploading videos that are already on YouTube. Because I know a lot of people don't have cameras, a lot of people don't want to get in front of a camera, but anyone, anywhere with 0 subscribers can start to do this and start to make a ton of money.
Tens of thousands of dollars a month right here on YouTube without creating your own content.
Method na ito ay legit.
100% legit.
It is legit.
Pag na-download na yan, pwede mo na siyang i-upload sa yung YouTube account. Okay, hindi ka na maka-copyright strike at hindi ka na maku-community guideline strike.
I'm not getting any views on YouTube, darling.
Paano mo rin ito magagawa kahit wala ka pang experience sa pag-YouTube or kahit wala ka pang mga subscribers? Well, mostly, tama naman. Pero hindi lahat.
Paano ma-monetize ang channel mo? Kailangan mo i-monetize yung channel mo to start earning.